another fun and exciting battle box. What's BattlBox? Well, it's a cool box that shows up at your house once a month. You have 4 different levels that you can possibly get, and you don't know what's in it until you do this. Mission 67. Just put this right there. I just recently switched over to these. I actually like the card better, because I always put little... It has saved me some work though, because I don't have to copy it off. So, we start off with the basic box. This month, the first thing in the basic box is the BattleTech concealment holster. Now, you're saying, what kind of holster is that? This is the kind of thing that you can mount under a table, under a desk. You could even mount it on a wall, or behind, say behind your headboard. They send 4 screws. If that will, well, that'll work. Definitely make sure that you test the area for like the thickness. So if you put this under a desk, you don't end up having the screws come through. But overall it's a really heavy grade neoprene or rubber, and then it has the little spot right there where you can. I'm getting some feedback. There we go. The spot where you can then put your firearm while it's hanging in place. Let's see. I'll go with the one I'm carrying at this very moment in time, and you end up with something like that. So, hanging under a desk, on a wall. I was actually thinking about making something like this. The location that I was thinking about, I'm not sure if it'll work though, because this is dimensionally a little bit bigger than that area, but yeah, we'll have to see. And yes, it is loaded. Also looks like it needs a good cleaning. Next thing in the basic box this month is the Grenade Soap Company's microfiber travel camping towel with storage bag. I've actually had one of these before, and they're I think I sent it to the Boy Scouts, and it is a very reasonably sized towel. And we can keep on. Let's see. That right there would represent half of its length. Everything that you can see on camera. And then after if you've used it, thoroughly dry it out and return it to the storage bag. Oh, sorry. The holster has a value of $24.95. This has a value of $24.95. Next in the basic is the Southern Survival Glow in the Dark Reflective 550 Paracord. And there's just way too much lighting going on down here for me to show you this right now, but my little slideshow at the end with all of the products, I do have a shot in there where it is glowing. Its ability to be reflective, you can already see that, and in the low light situations, this thing looks like it practically has a battery pack running it. And then of course they also provide the a strap once you've taken this this off of here, so that if you're cutting it to various lengths, that you can save the rest by doing that. Southern Survival, and that's their own. They're actually starting to produce more and more stuff under their own branded name. The other question is, have you guys checked out Southern Survival on Netflix, and what did you think of it? The next item and the last. Oh, sorry. Well, it seems to be a theme. $24.95 worth of paracord. So right now each of these is worth $24.95. And then the last item in is the Grenade Soap Company's Maverick soap, and I have had these before. Kind of cool. Already they put the little strap on it so that you can hang it in the shower or whatever you wherever you want to hang it, or you can just take this off and use it for something else when the soap is finally gone. It smells pretty good too, as far as soap goes. And that does not have a value of $24.95. That has a value of $8.99. And that's the basic box. That's if you signed up only for the basic box, that's what you would get. Now, if you signed up for the advanced box, you'd get all that plus 2 items this month. The first one is the Biofilm Defender H2O. Basically, this is a product that allows you to treat storage water from getting that layer of film that will end up building up on it over time. And I got a copper tester, the vial, because they give you the math on how much you need to treat a certain amount of water. The kit itself will do 330 gallons. So if you're someone that in your preps or your storage you have water, this will help keep it treated from getting that layer of bacteria film over it. And that is this kit is $48.95. And then there's one more item in the advanced box this month. And it is a vegetable kit. I want to say about a year ago they sent out another kit, and I managed to hide it on myself, so I didn't get to use it this year, but hopefully next year. Now I have even more. It's a vegetable kit, and there's 40 seed packets in there. And there you go. That's what you will be getting. That's pretty cool. Definitely have to. Yeah, if you remember about a year ago, this was the last one, and I keep putting it in a spot so I don't lose it. And then this month ended up getting another one. $26.99 for that, and that's what you would get if you purchase the advanced box. Then you can step up to the Pro. There's one item in it this month. Kind of a cool little solo stove, and this one you are able to use without having to have any kind of a fuel other than wood. So basically, you just kind of collect some small sticks, like as illustrated in this picture. Comes with a sticker. The stove is in a nice little carrying bag. So you'd basically just put your sticks and stuff in there, get your fire going. And then you flip this around, and you can put your small pot on there, or your coffee cup. So gather some twigs, find some level ground. Make sure your your stove is social distancing. Remove the ring, start your fire, put the ring back on, and cook, boil, roast, percolate, etc. See what else do they have? They have this is the solo, and then they have a couple even larger sized ones, plus all sorts of pots and stuff. They also carry their own the alcohol burner. So that is the solo stove. That has a value of $89.99. So if you purchase the Pro box, that's what you would have gotten up to this moment in time. Then we step up to the Pro Plus, which is always something sharp and pointy. This month is the Revo. See, carbon. Another sticker. Carbon fiber. They say this would be the first release. D2 steel. It actually looks a little on the light side, but it's actually a pretty decent belt clip. Nice positioning. Nice low ride. Flipper. Very smooth. Stone washed. Like the red spacers. That carbon fiber. That's a cool looking knife, and feels good in your hand. I like a little bit more aggressive up front there. But yeah, the overall positioning is pretty spot on it. Let's see, other than what I know, the D2, see anything else? Yep, I talked about the solid grip. 8 inches overall. And this guy has a value of $110. I see it's on brass washers because it is extremely smooth. It offers a resistance. Like, this is really going to be a pain, but if it starts to move, it goes all the way to lockup. Lanyard hole. So there you go. And that is Mission 67 from BattlBox. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, if you have not had the opportunity to check out Southern Survival on Netflix, go give it a shot. And like I said, if you've seen it, what do you think of it? I am curious as to what you guys think of Southern Survival. That's if you have Netflix. Sounds like more and more people are going away from them every single day, but they do it to themselves. So, guys, thank you for checking out this video. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and the bell is rung, so you can check out my videos as they come out. Otherwise, this was BattlBox Mission 67, and we will see you next month with Mission 68. Oh, by the way, 67 is the best year ever of the Mustang. Just saying. Cheers, guys.